Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to change your country on Amazon. This is particularly useful if you've relocated to a different region or if you want to browse products available in another country's Amazon marketplace. Let's jump right into it. First, open your web browser and navigate to Amazon.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account. After you've signed in, you'll be taken to the Amazon homepage where we can start making the necessary changes. Now direct your attention to the upper right toolbar of the page. Right next to the search bar, you'll notice a flag icon there. This flag represents your current country setting and is the gateway to switching regions. Click on this flag icon to proceed. A drop-down menu will appear with several options related to country and language settings. From this menu, click on Change Country/Region. This option is specifically designed to help you switch between different Amazon marketplaces around the world, each tailored to serve customers in specific regions. Once you've clicked that, a new page or overlay will appear. Look toward the upper left section of this page where you'll find a drop-down menu displaying your current country. Click on this drop-down menu to reveal a comprehensive list of all available countries where Amazon operates. Scroll through the list and select your preferred country from the options provided. This is where you'll be switching your Amazon experience to match the marketplace of your chosen region. After selecting your desired country, you'll notice a button that says Go to Website. Click this button to confirm your selection and redirect yourself to the Amazon site for that specific country. The page will reload and you'll now be browsing the Amazon marketplace for your newly selected region. And there you have it. You've successfully changed your country setting on Amazon, allowing you to access region-specific products, deals, and shipping options. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.